how to fillet this beautiful piece of sea bass. Hi guys, welcome back to my masterclass, and today I'm going to be introducing you to a new knife as well as some essential fish preparation techniques. As you can see, I'm experimenting with a new setup today, so let me know what you think in the comments below. So the knife, a filleting knife, short, pointy blade. Key characteristic, the blade bends, and that is to allow you to get the knife in and around the ribs without doing any damage, or as little damage to the flesh as possible. So I think we better zoom in now so you can get a closer look at this. So with a whole fish like this, you can get them from the fishmonger. They have been gutted and cleaned, but they do have a lot of fins. These are really sharp. If you catch your finger on these, they're gonna hurt. So we need to trim these off. There's also these ones at the side that we can just whip off on both sides, and don't forget the ones down by the tail as well. A few ways to do this, but what I find is the easiest is to find the spine down here and just make a little nook either side. Turn it horizontally to you and slice straight down to round about where you want the fillet to end. Comes off like this. Then vertical from that join, just gently slide down, following the spine. You'll hear the knife hitting the bones, and you can see here it's just opened up nicely. And now with the bendy blade of this, we can just run it along the ribs, following it through, clean a slice as possible. When you're at the bottom, quick whip and it's all off. And to the other side, same again. Slice down. This time you go in away from you, press the knife in ever so slightly, and again just follow that rib all the way along. When we get to the bottom, beautiful. Now keep your carcass, because that's going to be useful for a stock. I'm just returning back to your fillet. Run your hand along and spot any lingering ribs that you might have missed, and just neaten it up. So there's a little bit of fat from the belly, get rid of that. There is one beautiful sea bass fillet. And number two, same thing. And the last little thing to do is just give it a quick score across the skin, 3 or 4, just at an angle, and that will stop the fish curling up when we cook it. So there you have it guys. We have got 2 pieces of beautifully prepared sea bass fillets ready to cook for one of our practice dishes, and we have the carcass which can go into a fish stock, which I'll show you how to do later in the course. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back to me every Monday for more lessons in my masterclass.